hi.
Hi. Don't go here.
Jump. What's it called? Jumped on me. Look.
What?
We're gonna sit in the thorn thing.
No, I already sat in it.
Grasshopper just fell on my arm. It was disgusting. Look at the bird! You missed!
No, I got it on.
Oh!
That's a duck.
It's a bird.
No, that's a duck.
It's a bird.
Ducks can fly.
Ducks is considered a bird.
What does the water feel like?
I don't know. I haven't spilled it. It's not touching me.
Birds don't eat what ducks eat.
That's cold. Look at the water. Oh, look.
Cold.
It's cute, huh? Nature.
It's nature. Hi.
Hi, Ethan.
Cheese.
Say cheese. I've got cheese, see? On videotape, see?
Get it again.
I want to make a rock. Who's not talking to him? He'll get in the water truck. One day we were here and I was jumping on Dad.
Yeah, that was fun
That
swimming.
was fun.
That really was fun.
There's a big slide.
I want to go swimming.
Me too.
Let's jump in.
What does it feel like, Rachel?
It's so nice.
Don't put your shoes in it.
Touch the water?
Your
Yeah,
shoes.
it's